Hey kids, so today in Super Child we'll be talking about sports and their playground. Horse riding is done in arena. Horses are ridden by riders known as jockeys. They run for a set distance, often with obstacles for them to jump over. Next is table tennis. Table tennis is played on board. Table tennis, also known as ping pong and whiff wap, is a sport in which 2 or 4 players hit a lightweight ball. The next one is golf. Golf is played on course. Golf is a club and ball sport in which players use various clubs to hit balls into a series of holes on a course in as few strokes as possible. The next one is volleyball. Volleyball is played in court. Volleyball is a team sport in which 2 teams of 6 players are separated by a net. Each team tries to score points by grounding a ball on the other team's court under organized rules. Baseball is played in diamond. Baseball is a bat and ball game played between 2 opposing teams who take turns batting and fielding. Next is hockey. Hockey is played in field. Each team plays with 10 field players and a goalkeeper. Players use sticks made of wood or a combination of carbon fiber and fiberglass in different quantities to hit a round, hard plastic hockey ball. The next is football. Football is played in field. Football is a family of team sports that involve to varying degrees kicking a ball to score a goal. The next one is judo. Judo is played in mat. Judo is generally categorized as a modern Japanese martial art. The objective is to cleanly throw, to pin or to master the opponent. Taekwondo. Taekwondo is played in mat. Taekwondo is a traditional Korean martial art. It includes punching and kicking techniques, which emphasizes on head height kicks and jumping spinning kicks. Cricket is played in pitch. Cricket is a bat and ball game played between 2 teams of 11 players. The next one is rugby. Rugby is played in pitch. It is played with an oval ball by 2 teams of 15 players. The object of the game is to ground the ball behind the opponent's try line into what is called the in-goal area. The next is swimming. Swimming is done in a pool. Swimming is an individual or team racing sport that requires the use of one's entire body to move through water. The next one is skating. Skating is done in ring. Roller skating is traveling on surfaces with roller skates. Boxing. Boxing is done in ring. Boxing is a combat sport. It is a sport in which 2 competitors try to hit each other with their glove encased fists while trying to avoid each other's blows. The next is ice hockey. Ice hockey is done in rink. 2 teams of skaters use their sticks to shoot a vulcanized rubber puck into their opponent's net to score goals. The next one is athletics. Athletics is done in track. A person who takes part in an athletic competition is an athlete. Athletics is a group of sporting events that involves competitive running, jumping, throwing, and walking. The next is cycling. Cycling is done in velodrome. A velodrome is an arena for track cycling. The speedsters of this sport fly around at up to 60 mph. The next one is bowling. Bowling is done in valley. Player rolls or throws a bowling ball towards a target. The maximum number of holes allowed in a bowling ball is 12. So friends, if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.